Information about Chionanthus virginicus. Chionanthus virginicus, commonly known as the Fringetree or old man's beard, is a deciduous tree native to the southeastern United States. It is known for its showy, fragrant, and delicate white flowers that bloom in late spring to early summer. The Fringetree typically grows up to 20 to 30 feet tall and spreads to a similar width. It has a rounded or irregular crown with smooth gray bark. Its leaves are dark green, glossy, and oval-shaped, with a pointed tip and a finely toothed edge. In the fall, they turn yellow before dropping. The Fringetree is dioecious, meaning that individual trees are either male or female, with only the female trees producing fruit. Its fruit is a dark blue drupe that matures in late summer to early fall and is relished by birds. The Fringetree is a popular ornamental tree for its attractive appearance and ease of cultivation. It prefers moist, well-drained soils and full sun to partial shade. It is also tolerant of a range of soil types and is resistant to many pests and diseases. The Fringetree has a long history of medicinal use, with its bark and roots traditionally used by Native Americans to treat a variety of ailments. Its extract is also used in modern herbal medicine as a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever. However, it is important to consult a healthcare professional before using any herbal remedies.